Namaskar. When we look at our life, when we reflect at our life, we find how ordinary, simple our life is. But is that true? The answer is no. Life of each individual is special. It is unique in its own way. While some may have left the comfort of their nest and learned to fly new heights, while others may have worked tirelessly to gain comfort. You all try to do best in you, and that is what heroes do. Heroes does not always mean the one which you see on a silver screen, but hero is that person who gives meaning to their life, molds his life for a better future. Qualities of heroes is courage, determination, loyalty, compassion, and sacrifice. If you have these qualities, I would emphasize here that you are a hero of your life. Carefully reflect of your past, focus on your present, and you will realize how well you have grown as an individual. Every day you courageously cross many hurdles to achieve the set goals in life. You compassionately find solutions to various problems, big or small. You sacrifice many things to come out of your comfort zone to learn many things. You be loyal towards your work. You are determined to take care of your near and dear ones. If you are not the hero, then who is? In life, you look up to others for inspiration. Outside inspiration gives a push in definite direction, but to keep moving on that path requires motivation from inside. And the self-motivation comes when you realize that you are a hero. So do not ignore the most important person, and that is you. You have to be dependent on yourself first. Only then you will be able to take everything along with you. As a toddler, you learn to walk and run on your own. In college, you learn to take a step forward in making your career. While working, you take a risk to move ahead with a better position. And when you grow old, you learn to keep pace with the world. When you turn each page of your life, you will realize that actual hero lies within you. At any point in life when you are stressed or something which is not working the way you wanted, or you are feeling low, then remember the hero within you. Recognize the inherent heroic trait within you. Do not worry. You have come this far, and only you will move ahead in life because you are self-motivated, self-sufficient, and self-dependent, Swavalambi. So remember, you were the hero, you are the hero, and you will be the hero of your life. Namaskar.